Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. And in today's tutorial, you will learn how to permanently block some website on Google Chrome. You can block website on Google Chrome using the extensions. But if you want to permanently block some website, let's say I want to permanently block Instagram. Go to the Instagram and click on this icon and go to Site Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called JavaScript. Click on the drop-down menu and click on Block. Scroll down and also block the JavaScript, optimization and security, and reload the page. As you can see, this page will no longer open. And that's it. We have successfully blocked our website permanently on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos